It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise salmon and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market off of the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and family we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Happy Thursday! Let's go. Maybe Band-Aid juice. It's fine, it's fine, everything's fine. Cake shower codes are awesome. Happy Housty Bergie. Shout out to PSG. Maybe Bandit, thank you for the resub. 34 months, let's go. Hey, you almost got that 3-year. Gonzas. Kata Spada. How we doing? We probably have some background music going on. I don't know what's going on. Baldicular MJ 10 binds. Yeah, you're getting double up on sound. Latisse. Hey, the math is the math. Mark. They call me Jose. And I'm Mark. Don't stripe me, YouTube. Shoutouts Lindley. Shoutouts Lindley Island. Took me a second to get that statement out. Shit. Who saw the den? Juice. Oh my goodness. These stupid things. Well, I'm on a big catch-away today on my headset. Shit, my AirPods are not connecting. JP 3K. They were good. Let's go, Kimba. Shout out to the den. To the den. Oh. 2 letters, 1 word. The meaning of life. Yeah. Who's that remind you of in the olden days? CoinWise dashboard. Let's go. Hey, we filled that rotation. There was a rotation down here. Oh, snap diddly. It's too clean. Exclamation Discord. Kimba's den. Come on now. Come on now.
Let us build, stack it high. Juice the vibe, we touch the sky. Keep it moving, feel the beat. Dance all night, no need to speak. That's right, let's go. Oh yeah.
Yes. Yes. Coke Zero. Working that duck out. Doing great. Math is the math. Welcome, Coke Zero. How you doing today? Yeah. Oh my gosh, last night that was so juice, wasn't it? Holy shit. And actually the bounce was kind of nice. Like 3K. Pump incoming. Let's go, Mr. Riyadh. Yeah, I think we need to flip the daily open on CME. I think we need to flip this 64.865 zone. That's the first, like, meaningful. Actually, we just need a higher high. That'll help. Don't forget to take profit, especially if you got into these lows. Yeah, it gave us another little chance, didn't it? Pretty nice. Sweepity sweep on RTH. Wait a minute. Is this for real? Is it pushing on the lows again on CME? Gap down, fill the gap pretty quickly on S&P. And then just trend day from there. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. This Bugamas above are still there. We'll pull up the Bugamas shortly. But let's just talk about this dashboard real quick. Coinwise.com/dashboard. It is juice. Let's go, Ladis. Moving to Cardano. Oh, don't go there, man. But I mean, you know, these things are giving us 2022 vibes, huh? You remember when I pulled that fractal? Ooh. Great opportunities. Yeah. I wish we could do those boss battles. And a lot of people were surprised there wasn't like this tremendous cascade of liquidations. There were some pretty big licks. There's about 1,000 licked at around the lows. 1,000 BTC. But it wasn't the biggest one that we've had this year. And looking in the daily chart, we have another rotation to the downside. I have it marked on my Coinbase chart now. So we'll go over there in a minute also. Oh boy. Oh boy, trading below VWAP now. Yeah. It's gonna look a lot worse if we pull back from the gap, the open on RTH once again. You know, we hold this and look a little better. But things have looked better all in all, regardless. And right back to the weekly open. Nice little reversion on ES. Shoutouts if you took the long at the lows, as discussed in the den. Shoutouts to Kimba. Oh man, that was a juicy post today. Get on over there and exclamation Discord. Let's go. Coinwise.com/dashboard. ES running. Nice little trend day. Back inside previous day value. Value area low was initial resistance briefly, except back inside. Now we're above previous day point of control and above weekly VWAP. Let's get it. And maybe rotate back to the highs and you get the bad lies above. Hey everyone, how we doing? It's Miracle. Did I grab a long? I didn't. Yeah, I was following my plan. I was thinking, I'm fucking stupid for not taking this last night. But I kind of anticipated a rollover. I think lower is coming. How soon that's coming, I don't know. It might be today after market close. It might be tomorrow. It might be over the weekend. Could be beginning of the week. We get CPI next Wednesday and FOMC the Wednesday afterwards. So less than 2 weeks before FOMC, and then quarterly options. Probably will get a nice, thanks, it's Miracle. Thank you. Hey, welcome. I'm glad to hear it. Welcome. Join our Discord, man. Come vibe out. Just keep on learning. This is how most everyone in the community became a big part of the community. Yeah, it makes this place amazing. Welcome. Yeah, you don't have to be posting a bunch of things or anything like that, but if that suits your personality, then please, you're always welcome. We're a real supportive space, and if people step out of line, then, you know, they're reminded that, you know, that we're all guests and we're all brothers and sisters. Yeah. Yeah, come on in. Come on in. There's the funniest stupid video a long time ago. It's probably like 15 years ago. Come on in. It's this big, I'll just say brother, who answers the door. Some of you might have seen it. It's so funny though. It's disgusting and funny. It's like one of those. Let's go Arum. Operator. Yeah, and it's Miracle. Please ask questions anytime. We'll do our best to answer. So you remember how like I never talk about moving averages and stuff? CoinWise has a couple of things coming out in their moving average series, and I was just like, you know what? Let's look at this. And we looked at it the other day, and it was kind of juice when we looked at that bearish retest at 82 for the 200-day. And always in the back of my mind, I'm thinking about this 200-week moving average. If you've been around Bitcoin for a long time, you hear rumblings about it sometimes. Baldicular, did you get in along, dude? I hope you did. Every single one of the levels that we were talking about being significant to the downside on the majors gave us opportunities, didn't they? You sold at 77, nice. So are you looking to trade perps? Are you looking to trade futures, or are you looking to add back into your portfolio? And is it just Bitcoin, or are you looking at alts as well? We're not really like huge on financial advice or anything, but we do like to look at different levels of significance, try to anticipate potential scenarios, and then we'll take shots managing our risk. And for the most part, if you are disciplined with it, the wins should outweigh the losses, and you end up winning long term. Yep, I see you, Baldicular. Yeah, a tiny bit of shorts running, but that's about it. And then spot. Yeah, we're not expecting anything. This is a potential area of a reaction, and it could very well be the bottom. I personally am not of that opinion, but I do think that it could bounce. We still haven't made a higher high though, and I think that you're safe in your patience to make decisions, especially with like a spot play, unless you're doing like DCA or something, that you can wait for, even if it feels like it's pumping, and then it like begins to pull back, wait for the data, wait for the pullback. A higher high will look a lot better and have more edge for more upside. It sounds like you doing all right. It's Miracle. You know, I had a buddy of mine that was like, he fucking didn't even look at Bitcoin, but he told me about Bitcoin in like 2013. He was like, dude, you need to get this. I finally like started a little bit in 2017, and I knew nothing. I just like bought it and then like, this is cool. Dude, he was like, yeah, every like time that it like doubles, I'll just sell some. And every time it pulls back, I'll just buy more. And so in 21, he was like, yeah, I sold it at 60K. It was like close to the highs. Sold most of it at a 60K. Never looks at a chart ever. He just like looks at the fucking news or something. It's Miracle. I think that it will happen. I don't know when. And, you know, I'm just some dude. Bought back Bitcoin at 15K, or like 15.5. He like bought it at the bottom again, and I think like 17 and 20K or something. He bought a shitload more. He like freaking tripled the amount of Bitcoin that he had, and then just like he held it. Like, dude, he played it perfectly, just like long term, the way the boomers play their stock trades. Crazy. We're sitting here like staring at charts, like 5-minute charts all day long, every day, and this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? It's too easy. What are you talking about? Bitcoin's down 50% from the highs. What are you talking about? You didn't buy some. What I was talking about with the moving averages, though, is 200-week moving average. It's a like old significant level that we watch, and it's been a long time. You guys might have seen it on Twitter. It's really why I'm like saying anything more about it. I don't like normally have it on the chart, but there is your 200-week moving average right there. Haven't tested it since 23. That's your daily chart. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life, we're going up. That's kind of nice. That's COVID. The COVID low. And then we actually lost it in the 22 bear market. Lost it, thought that we were done with it, and then lost it and stayed below for like almost a year. But haven't come back since then. So pretty interesting to see yesterday, the first time that we interacted with it in like 2.5 years. Pretty juicy. Let's go Il Pasotto. Arum. That weekly candle looks kind of like that one and that one. I don't know. It's not looking too good right now. We tucked back in on the weekly in the high 65s. You know, you might be able to breathe a little easier. That's one of the things that I'm looking at with the whole thesis of flipping the 65 zone. It's a big level for the range. It's value area low as well. Oh my gosh, we got this song again? The other version? Our range value area low, 66. And we came back to it. We're in the daily. We came back to it, tested it, and lost it yesterday. And then even worse after that. That daily close was not good. And this was the sweep zone that we identified yesterday. We're like, well, you know, it's looking like kind of iffy over here. But let's just see what happens with these lows. We're always going to know that those ones were there. We had these marked up too. And it just plowed right through those 64, 65, high 64, low 65 lows, which were also no good. And then even more through those 62 to 63 lows. Pretty juicy. The other oscillator that I have on here. So y'all remember this Anchor VWAP? Since it's so fucking ugly on here, let's just go to something cleaner. Oh my gosh. It's so ugly on there. Let's go to something cleaner. The other thing that I was displaying was this. That Anchor VWAP, and I had the bands. So the 1, 2, and 3 deviation, the multiplier. There's your 1, there's your 2, and that 3. That's a low. This is Anchor VWAP from the 16K bottom. Monthly level, unfilled rotation. It's like some really big high time frame levels, just kind of hovering there in the mid 50s. I'm not saying that it's going there, and I'm not saying that's a magnet, but that could produce a substantial reaction if price makes it down there. You know, you have a lot of major levels that are converging, but we're holding the 200 week moving average for now, so let's just take it level by level. Higher low? Nah. We need a higher high. Flip value area high on the session. Looking better. Previous day value area low. Shout outs to the CoinWise levels. Exclamation CoinWise. They had a new education drop today on Equilibrium. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Any of you CoinWise users get to see that one yet? It's juicy. But yeah, previous day, value area low, value area high, and previous day point of control all in there. I gotta find where I have this so I can interact with it.
Entries clean, wrist on freeze, woke up late, still print with ease. Fibs on tight, no extra fees. Profits hit, now we overseas. Lions eat, hyenas get wrecked. Saddle red, I'm still
value area high, 67,336. Value area low, 65,740. So get back inside there. You get kind of the range value area low and previous day VWAP, PDEQ, and previous day value area low. That'd be a good place to reclaim for higher. Maybe it'll run us back to like 71 if we got that. Potentially higher if this was destined to be the bottom. But you know, we got to get there. We got to get a higher high first. So maybe it like comes up, rolls over, PDEQ, then bounces off a value area high and goes. The reason that this profile or these lines are green and purple, this is the CoinWise TPO PVP. CoinWise TPO PVP. And we opened our daily session outside of previous day value. So it's kind of like a reminder to us that there's a potential for a rotational play that has higher probability if it unfolds. So if we were to accept back inside previous day value, in this case, previous day value area low is 65,740, get some closes inside there, there's a high probability of it rotating to the opposite side. The range is 80% setup. Ferrazzo! Aren't those? Yeah, they are. I have my tick settings different though. Mine are a little bit smaller tick size. And so I just mark the ones that are on the sheet because they tend to, I mean, they're so close. It's not really like, is it gonna throw off the price if it bounces, if it reclaims 65,690 or 65, like 50 bucks. Ooh! Shout out to Ferrazzo. I know that you're in the CoinWise. I've seen you in the Discord. Still got one running on BTCC. Let's go, maybe. Yeah, shout out to Ferrazzo. It's not going to make that big of a difference. PDEQ is there also. And that is one that's not going to have any variability. It's just based on the high and the low of the day, or the previous day, or whatever range you're looking at. We just want some closes up inside there with some volume. and rotate to the opposite side of the range. That'd be juice. Get like a daily close up there, and it'll increase the probability of a rotation to the opposite side of the big range. Oh, it's fucking weekly. Jeez. Oh, juice, juice, juice. Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. The big range I'm talking about. The value. Well, hide it all. Yeah, 65, 6, 65, 550 for TPO range. Value area low, and for volume 65.8. Rotate to the highs, at least at the point of control. Crazy, that's 68.3, both volume and time point of control. Shout out to KIMBA'S and their new DERP indicator. It's the dynamic fixed range profile. That's juice, maybe. Crypto craze, let's go. So those are elements of my thesis. Elements, that would be nice. Yeah, I can imagine that probably there was some profit taking right at that. Derp face, derp, 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 dripping. Kimba's got the drip. Let's go. Yeah, that thing is juice. I really like this. You know how often I draw fixed range volume profiles. And to incorporate TPO and volume into something that's fully customizable. Shout out to KIMBA'S. Love it. Turn it up, baldicular. Juicy, juicy. Yeah, little lawns came in on that candle. Yeah, and KIMBA'S has a whole lot of additional indicators. It's really juicy. We got funding rate. We got this is divergences. It's for RSI. This is for CVD. This is aggregate CVD. So this is just on Coinbase. This one's aggregate for tons of different exchanges. Yeah, you can get in everything if you want it to. I think I have it just set on all. I don't know how it got cleared out, but I think I figured that it was all set. I don't know, I'm making sure. You can do some other things with it. I just need to work with it a little bit more. There we go. That looks better. Aggregate. Bouncing. Bouncing. Is that a lower low on CVD and a higher low on price? Interesting. Longs and shorts, open interest, aggregate. Buy and sell volume, relative volume. And there's a whole lot more. There's a whole lot more. There's only so much real estate on a chart, and I'm already using up more than I have. Let's go buy gold. Buy gold. 10 binds. Juice and point of control. Need to flip it. We're above VWAP. That's nice. Before I go back to traditional markets, you got some Binance perps. F. We had that 1742 and 1723 marked. Bad lows. Cachoya. Marked it when we were trading it in the 1900s. We actually marked it before that. Juicy. Marked it. Made plans. Potential bounce areas. We need a higher high on the ETH too. So we were looking at that sweep. And that was the big nuke low. Yeah. It's going to look better if we close inside here. It'll look even better when we close back inside here. That was a pretty rough day for Solana. When we lost that 70s, 75. Look how pixel perfect that retest is. On the high yesterday. Hype. Oh, it's all over. It's still above all-time highs. Maybe this is where we find, and I can't believe they left that, but absorption, I guess. Maybe this is how you get your 59 retest. It did finally break structure. But in the mid time frames, pretty much. Ooh. That's your resistance level. Next one's going to be up here, but in the 73. I think you get up there and, or even get back in the range, will be looking good for cleaning up those highs. Yeah, the 59 zone, once again, is interesting. I think if it goes down there, it might do a little bit of housekeeping. Consuela, can you help me? What do I see? Oh, for ETH? It depends on Bitcoin. I think, you know, we were kind of talking a little bit about high time frame plans. Eventually, I think that the 1368 gets cleaned on ETH, but that doesn't mean that it's going to happen anytime soon. If BITI goes back into the 50s, it probably will clean up on Ethereum. What needs to happen is a higher high on Bitcoin. That will help. And then for ETH, let's just get back into 1800. Let's just get back into 1800 and then we'll start talking. You know, even getting into like the previous day value area low, I think 1820, 1850 is going to be pretty important. But your 1907, that's going to be the major one, and that's been a big level or area, like 1907, just above 1900 to like 1920, 1930 in real high time frame charting. That's been big for years. Every time ETH has been trading anywhere near this area. You could expand that a little bit. Resistance. Shoot, you could do a monthly chart and look better. Resistance, support, lose it, resistance, 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 flip it, come back, lose it, resistance, reclaim, coming back, support. Now turn off dirt. So I feel like it needs to get reclaimed. 2K is important psychologically. 1900 is, or that low 1900s. Yeah, now you're talking back in 2K, but I think 2100 is more important than 2K, honestly. And that low that I was talking about is this dirty ass low. You can't see ETH? This is ETH. What do you mean, Marcos? How are we doing, Marcos? Good evening, Bang Star. Good evening, Colin Noob. Let's go. Shout out Colin Noob. Yeah, that low. This one's not great either, but you know, these are monthly charts. We don't need monthly charts. We're trying to get, should I long or should I short right now? Make a higher high. Maybe we'll be interested in a pullback if it makes a higher high. If you didn't get it on this thing, the sweep of 1723. And that's the sweep of this from February. So that's kind of my thoughts. Shout outs to CoinWise and all the levels and juice and tools and education and dashboards. Let's see some liquidations. I know some people would like to see some short liquidations. Thing is, and this is just what's happened in the past day or so. Not even, really since the morning. We're building up more to the downside again. And regardless of this being so ugly, we don't have a whole lot of liquidations till you get above 67 to the top side. Are you for real right now? Where's the rest of it? Oh, it's going on the last candle. And there's your 68 in the 3-day. Your 68 again. Just bad highs. It builds up a lot of liquidity. And then 74 looking juicy. Again, bad highs. I want to see this 60K level. How much that built up after we went down there and held it last night. Or this morning, depending on where you are in the world. But a lot of the Asian lions, they're probably not watching right now. Yeah, it's not really showing up a whole lot down there despite front running that low. And am I right? Did I think Binance front ran the other low too, didn't it? Your GEX 60K. Oh my goodness. 65, GEX flip being 63, 857. So it's right at Gex flip. Oh, sorry. At 63,488, I'm just like retarded.
Kimba gang. Hey, yo, turn me up. Monster in my hand, but not the drink.
I think we're on like repeat or something. Let's get it on this playlist.
Power be talking, but we know we bluffing.
JPK, how we doing? Thank you for coming and watching. It's Confluence, Bangstar, Jaskier. Let's go, JJ. Confluence. Not using a trend line for like the only trigger. Yeah, that trend line that I drew the other day, I've actually deleted it now because we just moved so far beyond it, but it's something to monitor if we start moving back up, maybe redraw it. The Binance, I think it didn't clean that one low. Oh, it did. No, like initially it hadn't cleaned it or something. I can't remember. Why do I have that drawn? Oh, it was like the second candle on that nuke. Yeah. So not like it was the low or something, but it just is another place that somebody might have had a stop loss before it gets to 60K. They held it regardless. It doesn't matter. We're back above by a long shot. But man, when they decide to move it, they can move it quickly, can't they? Either to the upside or the downside. Drinking some coffee and watching. Let's go. Coco, let's go. He juicing song. Coco's shouting out Mr. Decaflex. Is Decaflex in here? He juicing the songs. Sorry, doggy coin. What doggy coin? You open the value again. You like 63,350, 63,750 around there. Yeah, I mean it's like we're right in value right now to me. At least for the daily. Trading below most values on the real time frames. But we marked this level. That's pretty nice for now. And there's your band's multiplier, the 2 deviation on our anchor VWAP from the 60K bottom. And we don't really need this. That was just a cool thing to talk about on stream. I think most of the people that are streaming are like posting and saying something about that. They're probably not pulling anchor VWAPs and looking at band multipliers on stream anyway. Time for the balcony. Let's go. El Pasoto. Marcos, it absolutely can go that high. I don't know if it's gonna end up lower if it makes it up there. That's gonna look a lot more like we got back inside the range. I'm saying there's a chance. Let's go, maybe. There's a downtrend line. We just broke. I'm gonna do it on the Binance chart, just have less marks on it. I'm gonna turn the TPO PVP off also. What time frame? 4 hour? 1 hour? It's the real downtrend line that I'm looking at. We did not break it, even if you go like that. I guess we could do WEEX. We can do a hybrid. We got a ways to go before that thing. But you're talking about this one, huh? That was such controlled selling. Just broke it just now. This is our trigger. This is one of the things that you kind of look at and think about divergences. So if I was gonna have that and like just extend it out, I would maybe be thinking, okay. We get some relief. It buys you some room in your oscillators. You know, this comes up, RSI comes up. I don't have it on this one. It's over here. RSI comes up, then we like roll back over. Make a lower low somewhere and bounce. You make a higher low on RSI, CBD, like whatever other oscillator you want. We have a lot of longs coming in right now though. You know, it probably would like roll out more. You know, like maybe even it goes higher and then rolls over. Lower low, and then all the oscillators don't make quite a lower low. ETH at 2020. Well, Marcos, you might be okay. That's I mean, I guess you're not low leverage. I mean, not high leverage. They might let you out. I think you get back up to the that level, things are gonna look better for ETH anyways. Is this like a all-in position? Can you add at the lows? I'm not saying add margin, I'm saying add ETH. Today Coinbase was buying. Yeah, Sailor, yeah, it was. Sailor's gotta save the market somehow. They weren't buying that much though. It looks like aggregate, like. Lock down the news, markets glued to the zone. Whole squad waiting, tension through the room. Hawkish on the timeline, bulls and bears in the zoom. Charts keep moving, candles in control. Held the rate tight, no release on the scroll. Kept us grinding, FOMC, no sign. Now we ride a chop till we see that sign. Still we circle back, squad ready. Maybe about 500. Cross, and yes, you add it, yeah. Okay. Can't add more. Would you let it run all the way down there? Just be like, I just hope I don't lose money. Maybe it goes all the way here and then it's like, ah, psych. For those trend lines. True, but he was buying at 90K. Let's go, Kimba. Shout out to Kimba. Let's go, boss. Shout out to Kimba's Den. Yeah, here, I'll chart it on the daily for you. There isn't a huge amount of liquidity to the downside we cleaned on an ETH. Below here, you may have a little bit of support down in those lows, but it's going to be like 1620. Like, I don't know if I'm going to want to ride it down to there and be like, ugh. That was pretty good though. Yeah, I might even if it like runs and looks the best thing ever, I would probably close that thing if I got back to break even, brother. But not financial advice. This is just an exercise in anticipation that I'm doing. Yeah, I like this level. But again, it has to get back up. It's got to get back up. I'm going to turn these order blocks back off. That was a pretty nice one, though. Shout out to CoinWise order blocks. Let's go, GG. It's sell limits everywhere. You're looking at the heat maps. It doesn't look super heavy, and there's like some pretty big things on Binance and Coinbase below, right around 60K. I don't know if it's gonna, how it's gonna look. If I try to open it.
Ahora no persigo, no. Antes yo dudaba, ahora voy medido, no. Antes yo forzaba, ahora no persigo. Antes yo dudaba, ahora voy tranquilo. Ay, Kimba, yo boba la sola. Yo boba la sola, traigo sola. Yo boba la sola.
Their Shibu Gammas. So like 75.70, 75.40, pretty big. Some pretty big things in today's expiries. And then you have like in all expirations, a lot of big things around 7,700. Yeah, but more to the upside than the downside on your 0 day. But for the heat maps, oh come on now. Because I had it loaded up on my other device. Here's your Coinbase Premium. So for Binance, you know, like the biggest thing is down here at 60K. It's not even that big. And then you got something else at like high 66s. Not that big. I mean, that's small considering. There was like some 1.3K ones around. Maybe it's something 500. And then here, no. Coinbase, we have like 380 or something at 60K. 400 at some point. But look at the look at above price versus below price. It's like so thin above, and then these somebody is trying to fucking fill their bags. Am I right? Let's go Sazamir. 61.3 long. Coco, I see you. Did you get in it? Tomorrow's going to be a big day for the stream. I think we have Kimba live trading in the morning. Then Who Juicing? Then Liquidity's Got Talent. That's exciting. We got stuff going on all day. Shout outs to the exclamation dashboard, the full stream schedule. Shout outs to Liquidity's Got Talent. If you want to win some money, hear some of your own music, some of your own thoughts turned into a song. Let's go! Exclamation talent show, right? How did I forget this? Kagam! Ronnie Dougal. Jaskier. Focacino. Hey, I have, if you will send me 1 Bitcoin, I'll send you 2 back. Sound good? Focacino? Yeah, it's to help out my Nigerian niece. She's a princess. Afternoon, Curvies. How we doing? There is a lot going on there. There's so much hype in this. So why would you mess with Bitcoin? It's just like... But, you know, that said, it is pretty sold off. And so that's when things start getting interesting for buys. It's just right now you are going with the winners. Like, what is Bitcoin's yearly return so far versus what is AMD? And SpaceX is coming out in a couple weeks, right? I'm gonna gamble on Bitcoin when it looks like shit, or I'm gonna wait for SpaceX and fucking put some gamba into that. Ronnie, I was looking at Velo for the Binance one, and since the Velo doesn't have Coinbase, I was looking at Market Monkey for the other one. But there's a lot of different platforms that show heat maps like this. This is just the order book heat map. Yeah, we used to use Trading Light, and then, dude, I have an account and I haven't even opened it in a month because it just like stopped working. And they said they were going to come back, but like, I don't know. Is Trading Light back? That was my favorite one back in the day. That was juice. Yeah, Velo's pretty good. Let's go freestyle. Market Monkey's pretty sweet too. There's a good handful of them that are nice. Shout outs freestyle. Thank you, brother. He juicing. Is it back? Freestyle? Let's go, JT. Ronnie. F just juiced up. Let's go, Baldicular. Where are my traders at? Don't see any reaction. I see you, Marcos. Yeah, the 1 hours. I mean, that was pretty juicy right there. And it was pretty sold off then. They had a big lick. A big lick. The shorts weren't even like really aggressive there though. That's where we had that like 980 Bitcoin liquidation. And then ran over some of the shorts on the bounce. It was a good bounce. It's like 3K. Right, exactly, Sazamir. Yeah, so to that end. Calm and quiet. Let's go. Shit, I'm just some dude. I got a giant bong in front of my face. Shout out to Kimba. Shout out to the whole team too, though. Much love. Husty, Cage. Buzz! I saw Cyper up in here. Congratulations on the resub. I think that was 47 months. Coming up on that 4 years. Chauncey, MGK, Tiggy, Coiner. Let's go. I train. I see you. See some pretty flowers. What was I looking at? Oh, AMD. Yeah, and S&P, I mean, even that, it's like up 50% off of its lows. Not this year, but it's doing pretty well. You know, metals. And Hype is sucking up liquidity also. You see this from time to time, like this real juicy move happens and it sucks a lot of liquidity out of the majors. AMD. That's what I was doing. I mean, it's continuing to make all-time highs. Can't even fit it on the chart. It's like that much of a crazy shitcoin. From the breakout at the end of March, and that's not even when it broke out. I'm just trying to go like in 2 months. In 2 months, it like... Come on now. That's an altcoin move. And you're gonna get dividends. Quit playing with me. I guess you could stake your ETH so you can get more of something that continues to lose value. That's awesome. I'm being negative. High time frame. It's fine, it's fine. Everything's fine, right? Right, maybe Band-Aid? It's sarcastically negative. Fredward! We hear Alpeasy, Biffum, Coke Zero, Rajalicious. Coke Zero's like, dude, just tell me it's gonna go up. Love you boys. Is Fredward here? We short, we long, we in all three. Yeah, gold just gonna fuck around some more. Silver just loves the $73 to 75 zone. Oil. Let's see this. Did it really just bounce from that? No, not quite. It's kind of not even worth pulling all these other ones up because they're all juice. Yeah, look at NVIDIA. Did it clean that low? I was at our IRL work today, so I need to get caught up. It did clean it. Look at that. Who remembers talking about that one? Was that yesterday that we talked about it? Juice. It must have been yesterday. You short now, huh? What are you trying to short, brother? JT, I know you know what you're doing. Come on now. You should be on stream. Yeah. Oh no, I probably watch that 380 zone if we can get through these gaps. And that's a good high. Amazon. Yeah, distribution, I think. Those highs are bad though. Get back inside. 260. Maybe those highs will come. Microsoft. Yeah, watch out. I'm kind of careful about when I talk about Microsoft. Like, I have all these Microsoft devices, but like I have feelings about them for other reasons. So that's why I don't talk about it as much. But gap fill, bunch of gaps to the upside, and those are kind of ugly. And it's holding this. So we're just going to talk about the structure. It's holding that consolidation structure, market structure. Looking okay, I guess, but that's not looking the best. Yearly EQ right here too. That's cool. Tesla rejecting off that gap. Yeah, it probably needs to get back in there. If we get a higher high, I think that everything's fine. It's fine. Maybe run the yearly open at least. Clean up those highs. Yeah, we're looking at all this stuff. Like, the cryptos obviously is really interesting right now. It's interesting coming into the end of the week because these are the markets that are really moving. I gotta pull up the WLD chart, see if they did anything. Meta held that high. That's crazy. Bad lows all through here. I got my own feelings about Meta too, but it doesn't matter. Palantir looks like Microsoft. With the wait, I even said that the other day. It cleaned that, didn't clean the other one. Yeah, I don't like those lows. Netflix is gonna raise our rates some more. I'm gonna keep saying that because they keep fucking charging more every month. AMD's juice. No support on the way up though. I think the 440, 450 will probably get retested at some point. And maybe even get the yearly EQ at some point. But not today. Like Aria Snow. IBM. Yeah. Might close the gap. Yearly open was nice. And it's 300 psychological. But we're all headed to McDonald's anyway, so you know what it is. Bad lows right here. Probably clean that. If you want to get into McDonald's long, we had some people that were long McDonald's applications. With this one, dude, I just ran through like 15. This is McDonald's, dude. I'm like not even kidding. We just looked at IBM. I didn't go to Intel. That's kind of a good structure, actually. And we looked at Netflix, AMD, Palantir, Meta, Tesla, Microsoft, and Amazon, Google, Apple, Nvidia. That Apple, dude, that was such a nice trade. Such a nice. But it wasn't like huge gains. It was just a nice trade. That little entry down here. Got that sweep. 265.80. Nice. Why are we even bothering with this fucking fib? Juice up, Lions. We've been just looking at this. Oh. JT, anything you want to see? We kind of went through a whole lot of not crypto. Everybody's here to watch Bitcoin, and I'm fucking looking at McDonald's applications. Do we get single prints? We must. I think I turned TPO PvP off.
We're in the zone, KIMBA'S on top. Every decision is math, no
Gotta be.
You can't fake it. We've got the proof. Logic wins when we step in the booth. Trust it.
Back inside the gap. Going for the high, maybe. We're above VWAP. It got right back to VWAP just in time for like power hour. We don't need this on here. Just confusing. Look at the high, right at 7,600. Not bad. You're gonna want to hold that into the close. Could be a little bit of action. Eye to eye around 75.92 to 87 if it does pull back. That's kind of like a pretty clean zone. There was resistance on the way down and back on, or it was support and then resistance on the way down, and then like resistance momentarily on the way up. Be just kind of like symmetry. XMR trying with all its strength. It's trying with some of its strength anyways, but I'm strong if you strong. I can't be saying it on stream. They'll probably crash my computer, dude. All my computers. Monero? Yeah. I'm like, this fucking dude. This clown. I live in the US. Sazamir, where do you live? My thoughts about Microsoft are a little bit less positive. No, I'm not talking about that. You want Farcoin? Come on, bro. He's just kidding with me. Quit playing with me. Poland? Yeah. I don't know if you've seen some of this stuff going on, but I guess you've seen some of like the trial. Fucking the whole COVID thing. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna type it in. That was a good daily yesterday. Where did that come from? Everything else nuked. I don't like the reaction at these lows, but I think it can go higher, even if it's going to roll over. surprising that it held this. The 320. But you can't be that surprised when it held that 313 like this also. Those are no bueno. 4 hour. And a front ransom and naked pointed controls. You in something on it, or you're looking to get into something, JT? Dude, I mean, I'm not even gonna bother with the Amazon because I fucking need it. I like order shit on there all the time and use their products and things. Both. You're waiting for your levels. Yeah, I like that 313 sweep first and foremost. I guess on the real higher time frame, you know, it kind of worked opposite to Bitcoin. But I don't like that 313. I'm not a real fan of this 265, but it's far enough away. And then that's kind of ugly too. I think Bitcoin goes down hard. You got a whole lot of things that are looking to be broken. Look at that structure it's holding now. I'm gonna go like this. See if that didn't help. You know, this is a little hiccup. They sneezed real fast and then got back inside. It's holding it pretty nice though, isn't it? If that goes down though, man. And so far, like this could still be a higher low. And this just could be like a pullback in the next pump. But I mean, that's a pretty damn hard pump right there. Did it go to the that looks like 886. I hate fibbing on that. 926. Yeah, that was almost a full retracement. Yeah. That's something else kind of working against it. If it had bounced a little bit higher. 886 golden pocket. Bounce. Really depends on Bitcoin. I think I would be just like futures trading it if I was inclined to watch it a lot. Is that a sweep? Yeah, I'd be futures trading it and then like waiting like Pablo on the swing forever for 95. Probably. But I might never get my entry. I still have orders at fucking 9K CME gap. Like, we'll try to be realistic with it. What's your levels? Where are you interested in? I guess from the bottom. So you get that 268 sweep, tap and anchor VWAP, 250. Maybe that. If it keeps selling. But dude, it's like freaking 350 right now. That's way down. $28 EK. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I'm waiting for like a real reaction. Break without break. Fair price 390 on what? On XMR. Coco. Yeah, these highs aren't great. Those aren't great either. EK, I'm waiting to see if it reclaims on Biddy. And if it doesn't, I want to see the 60K cleaned. Kind of want to see the 57 cleaned. Probably that rotation, but I think that the 48K is, or the, you know, the 20, what was it, 2024 bottom. I think that gets clean. That was like a front run. Yeah, but I'm trying to be taking, you know, scalp trades. I'm not just like waiting to get into anything for those things that might never happen to take place. You know, it's looking a little better, albeit into market close when we're trying to save the market. Maybe if you get a swing fail here, then it might come sooner than we think. 56.8 is your first level on Addis. Yeah, I like that level. Or that area. Do you remember how, like, it was a long time ago. But even in October, if you were here around, just that dump from like 116 into the 102 to 104 zone, it was like the market was losing their shit. That dump where we went to 49K in 2024, it felt like the market was losing their shit and it was going to go to zero. That's the kind of feel that you want. It does not feel like that. And I'm not going off a gut and I'm not taking trades off a gut. You want the market to feel like it's over for it to be the bottom. At 15K in 22. What's up, dude? It was scary. I mean, it was exciting, but it was scary. It's like, I'm going to sell fucking everything if we get below 20K. And then we spent fucking 4 months below 20K. It was like 2 months. I don't know, man. We were doing some silly things in Kimba Gang back then. That was fun. EK! Cage, how you doing, brother? Exclamation UBIT. You said it, Colin Noob. Check out UBIT. Big deposit bonuses for you to play all on your own and potentially big giveaways in the works. Let's go. Oh, UBIT. All right, check out the dashboard. There's a lot of Gucci exchanges, many of which have deposit bonuses. And you can access the stream schedule on many of the tools that we use all the time. And then check out CoinWise. Most of the tools that you're seeing on my screen are a product of CoinWise. And then even more, I think I minimized it, I can't fuck this up. Even more juice, they had new education just come out, and they're back on it with that. After they just delivered an amazing tool, but coin-wise daily levels, we were looking at that a little bit more. The unfilled rotations, nearest one to the daily, not too far away. There's your value area low on the weekly, 55 to complete that rotation, and then the monthly is 52.6. And I kind of have some version of that posted on my chart way down here. And then of course the dashboard, coinwise.com/dashboard, free for all, juicy. If you don't know what's going on, you want to learn a little bit more, well, they got you. Come on, load it up. Watch a little mini video, read a whole lot of helpful things related to what you're seeing there on the chart, why CoinWise thinks that is an important or powerful level to include in the materials that they're giving. And then you can also check out liquidations. Liquidation map, more to the upside than to the downside. Pretty nice. You might trigger a mini cascade above 64.45, and then even more. This is low time frame, it's 1 day. And then, ooh, yeah, we saw that building up though. Way more to the upside in higher time frame. But we saw it in a different form on the liquidation heat map. Let's go. And more is coming. Oh, I need to refresh this. Come on now. It's I thought it was every 10 minutes on this. I don't remember where it was when I was looking at it before. Pretty juicy. Coinwise.com/dashboard. It looks beautiful. So if I don't have anything to stream about, then I'll just like go on here and be like, yeah, I'm probably looking for that. Or there's that daily rotation that was in the CoinWise levels PDF that I opened. And there's unfilled rotations, not anything more than this to the upside. Everything else has been filled, I guess. Pretty nice. Let's go to the balcony. Let's go to the balcony. To the balcony. Let's see here. Let's get a good balcony song. All right, to the balcony. Let's go.
Got the juice, got the lettuce, say, stack it up, never let up, ayy. Too much drip finna wet up, ayy. Kimba gang, we don't settle, nah. Pulled up big sips, that's juice. New rats gotta stack up too. Lettuce on me, whole bag like woo.
Yeah.
Keep running my pocket, say woo. Drip like Fiji, living too easy. Smoke that lettuce, feeling too dreamy. Profit go up, never get greedy. Kimba, we feasting, living too freely. Double cup love, that's juice in my veins. Let it stay fresh, no stress on my name. Kimba go up.
This song's fire. It's been a minute.
Stacking profitos, we never the same. Juice in my hand, lettuce in my pocket. Kimba gang up, tell them we got it. Feeling too good, life is exotic. Profit keep coming, we never stop it. Moon walk through the city like Mike. Like all this ice, got my cup too bright. New plugs to the pack took flight. Smoke that lettuce, we up all night. Whip so clean, no lease on mine. Money money don't sleep, so I'm on my grind. Juice in my hand, all good, all vibes. Kimber, we flex, no stress all time. Let us in rotation, we ain't even phased. Juice in the cup, toast up, let's rage. Profit multiply, numbers don't fade. Kimber gang up, whole squad get paid. Juice in my hand, lettuce in my pocket. Kimber gang up, tell them we got it. Feeling too good, life is exotic. Profit keep coming, we never stop it. Nah. Hey. Juice. Let it stay fresh, no stress, we blessed. Kimber gang up, we running that check. Too much drip, man, what's next? Hey.
Useless Lines Records.
Drop the first for Kimber Gang. Our vibe, that's how it was. Kimber 2025, we rolling deep, that's what's up. They around for the gains and they loyal, I feel the trust. Kimber team so up, get bored, might wake up by a yacht just cuz. Set up sharp TPs, hit, spent a stack, get cost a dub. Kimber, all my systems got upgrades, all systems fit to ball. Straight up, ain't with the beef, my crew's tight, the foes get tall. Straight up, never ran from no challenge, Kimber Gang hitting tough. Leave you
Running, 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 running. We leave all our trades. Running, 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 running. All my gains be running, 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 running. Gang sweep this chart clean. Running, 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 running. Kimber V2.
Toast that for the crew. This vibes are for you. Yeah, I'm Kimber Gang. You know I brought my juice. Market maker talking big, we caught him on sight. Let my young one handle it, took profit, earn a strike. Oh God, making plays in the scene, posted up with the team. We so cold, frosty, you can tell by the gleam. Yeah. We smoke letters, strain P and L green. Leverage, go pow pow, clear out your powwow, make them flee wow wow. Stepped out of line, had to rock them to sleep. Is there an issue? Keep a tool, they gon' dish you. All that talk will have to send Fibonacci to come get you. Level swing low like a yo-yo, candle bounce like a pogo. Yeah.
Running, 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 running. I leave all my trays. Running, 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 running. Bugatti P and L green. Running, 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 running. Gang sweep this chart clean. Running, 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 running. Kimber V2 star.
Day kicks off chaotic. Shipments gonna straight. Feds on
My mate Nate, let's go.
at the ready. Move on my say. Identity alpha lion, I stand come with me. Strategy streamed, ambitions clean charted each day. Certified in the streets, my name holds weight. Diamonds flash, haters words decay.
Been a minute. How we doing? Thank you for the resub, brother.
Place no stoppers, you'll regret it. This ain't synthetic. If you wanna move with the
Shout outs Cage.
the drive, you gotta get it. Connections tight knit, you got to respect. We got global plugs with goods perfected. Call them 10.
Shout outs Cage. Good idea. I'm gonna turn my sprinkler system on. It's hot. I want some grass this summer. Let's go. Froggy Shy by Alrum. Curvies. I should have done it from my phone. Welcome back, dude. How you doing? Yeah, maybe it turns into a good daily candle. Turn it into a green one. Get it green. That'll be okay. It'll look better to me. That's a nice little 4-hour. S&P help us.
Keep it clean, no stress. It's the Kimber Gang flow. Yeah, we always the best. So what we do? Break highs, cash in, we move. Living this life like bosses do. Get the bag, make it last. Yeah, it's all for the crew. Hey yo, the tape don't lie. Gotta ride the trend. Every trade, every win. Yes, money we send. We the heartbeat of the grind. Kimber Gang's on top.
Oh, it's a 15-minute chart. I was like looking at 30.
Break highs, cash in, we move. Living this
That's why. That's a true open. Jeez. Where's Wednesday?
Toast to the game, toast to the grind. It's the Kimba gang way, always shine, never blind.
Trading View, come on, please.
So what we do, break highs, cash in, we move. Living this life like bosses do. Get the bag, make it last, yeah, it's all for the crew.
Will you please get this CME thing straightened out? Froggy, I'm sorry to hear it. Glad to see you're back getting into things, though. Welcome back. Welcome back. Everything's well for me. Yeah. We just keep grinding. Keep grinding. Make every day better. Or work to make tomorrow a better day. Let's go, EK. Stops taken. Usually, but I was like, I had to go to work early this morning, and so like, when it's like that, I'll like manually do it when the shade spots are out. Like, I'll like trigger each one of the zones or whatever. It's not that hot, but we haven't had rain in a while. Try to keep it happy. Dawn at dusk is nice though. You don't want to do it too late or over water at nighttime. You get like the root rot. I fucked my lawn up last year doing that. Let's go, stop taking. He got it. Welcome back, my mate Nate. Glad to see you here. Working scaffolding these past few months. Like manual, like construction scaffolding. I see you. I've done my fair share of that. My least favorite thing to do from a scaffolding is drywall. Yeah. Amazing, my mate Nate. Yeah, Kimba's back too. Dude, did you see the dashboard yet? Coinwise.com/dashboard. Yeah, man. Trying to be great at whatever you do. That's the way to do it, man. Hopefully you find something that you enjoy and you can be great at it also. Dude, coinwise.com/dashboard. Yeah, it's on the pin. It's on the pin. Check it out. Oh man, that's the wrong thing. There it is. Unfilled rotation, session and previous session. Not sure about something, want to customize it. Not sure about something, you can learn about it. Ooh wee. All kinds of things in there though. You can go to the knowledge base and they have a ton of articles and more are coming, I hear. And then GEX, Deribit GEX. Liquidation map for Biddy. I hear more's coming for this too. Ooh wee. Dude, not at all. I had no idea. That's so sick, man, my main Nate. Yeah, dude, I just started making some of the videos for the Lions because I enjoyed, I have a history in a lot of things, but a history with teaching in the university level is one of my endeavors. And, you know, when I'm nerding out on things and enjoy it and then see people asking about it, I just felt compelled to, you know, try to help people. I was doing that for the community back then. Enjoyed it a lot. Made a handful of videos, but mostly ones that I like really was into the topics of. And PSG helped as well. I did a lot of streaming for academia since COVID, and spoken a lot in like in-person seminars to huge audiences. So like, it's not a problem to talk to people. Dude, how can... It's not hard to talk to a screen either, unless you're like just nervous with talking with people in general. You could have a bazillion people in here and like... Yeah, but I enjoy it. Love being able to vibe out, be silly, nerd out. You guys have to listen to what I had to say. You don't have to at all. You're welcome to disagree with me too. I'm happy to have a objective debate. You can voice your own opinions. Not that anything rude would be welcomed. But dude, I don't know everything. Nobody does. That's so cool, man. That's so cool, my mate Nate. I love it. That's so awesome. Well, we're fortunate to have you a part of the community, brother. So many great lions. And you're always have a home here. Those bright lines up there look super juicy. Yeah. Sure do. Sure do. We're long, aren't we? I'm long if you long. Well, we long, Dan. Shout out to the dashboard at coinwise.com/dashboard. Phone app, yes. I asked them about it recently. I don't think it's going to be until the end of the year though, or maybe the beginning of next year. Token Tickler, check out the KIMBA'S Den. Yeah, this is something he's talked about for a long time now, but it's coming. It's coming. I don't know when about that either, but it'll probably be sooner than the CoinWise app. You're bullish, not bearish? No, I see you. You like the D shape? We're going to hit him with the D, not data. And we're holding higher highs. I mean, higher lows. We just need to make a higher high. It's like getting there. The 4 hour was starting to look better on spot. I mean, look at this. It bounced from these lows right into Friday. Lower volume though. I guess it's higher volume than the majority of the day and higher volume than yesterday, so that's good. You might get a little bit of CoinWise app, yeah. Eventually they will have one. For sure, dude. Info's coming this weekend? Ooh. Yeah, in the KIMBA'S Den. Higher low, lower high. Yeah, I know. It's like a little consolidation. Triangle at the bottom. Unless it's like, I don't know. Sometimes it's a reversal. A lot of times these things are continuation. Shout out to CoinWise, they taught me this. Yeah, we can connect the WEEX, I guess. We're getting close to the end of it too. You tend to not generally get more than like 2/3 of the triangle. Sometimes you're lucky if you can make it for 75%. It's not the greatest one because we don't have it at the top, but like we'll even just do it from here and just play with it. So to London session, 58 bars. We'll just be generous and call it 60 bars so I can do the math easy. Let's say 40 bars. Where are we at now? Five more bars, 30-minute bars. So going into daily close. You probably see a little something soon. If this is gonna play out as a pattern. The 05 on the day. It did a little better than that, didn't it? Well, I guess on Coinbase. Y'all, we're gonna be wrapping things up right around market close. I gotta go back to work. It's fucking... Catch WEEX at the base low. Ever since I left the levels, you try to chase but missed the cues. You was wild in that session. I would full on be retired if I didn't have kids and just be doing this all the time. 7.5. Pretty nice. Yeah, and the market open saved us. You talking about that 05? It's not that bad. I have it in like reverse format, so like there's your... Is that the 7.5? 7.5. I don't know, dude. I can't even think straight now. I haven't... We'll get from the rollover. Right to the mid. And now they're going to take profit into the close. Or just start selling again. Well, we wanted to make this one green. We still got 4 more hours to make the daily green. Useless Lines Records. Chop shop till Monday, maybe. Nursing professor. My mate Nate is one of my jobs. I have a construction company, like building. We've got like a really big project going on right now that's been kind of a headache lately. But I got one that's hopefully gonna be wrapping up in the next week or two. And then a couple other things. I don't mind you asking at all though. But just like for regular healthcare and stuff like that. Nurse and professor. I'm pretty over that though. It's just like, dude, it's 2 days a week, you know what I mean? It's hard to give it up. It's not that bad. Non-farm unemployment. I thought today was, dude. Today's Thursday, isn't it? Unemployment up. Oh, Kachoya. We are not cutting rates. Non-farm employment. Oh, yeah. I know, it gets so confusing. They like name the same things twice or something. Unemployment claims versus unemployment rate. Yeah, that'll be pretty good. We might get a little bit of action off of that as they're RIP folders. CPI next week's gonna be pretty interesting. PPI should be too. Thursday of next week. So we'll have something to talk about on Thursday also. And that's right coming into FOMC 13 days from now. That's exciting. Jingao! Oh, that's great. Yeah, thanks, brother. No, that's all good. Always, always. I love this. I live in Palau. Token tickler. No, I don't. Palau is just my digital residency. Exclamation Palau. If you know, you know. Many of you might be interested in a residency. I wouldn't mind living in a small island in Indonesia. I live in a small city in the USA. But they have a wave pool for surfing, so that's like kind of a win. Yeah, always Jingao. Shout outs to PSG. Shout outs to Jingao. Yep. Yeah. Palauan. Look at my mate Nate. Let's go. Coco, I hope things pan out on that one. Thanks for coming back again. I'll be here on Monday once again, and we have Kimba Live Trading on Friday tomorrow morning, followed up by Who Juicing? It's gonna be a brand new juicy juice. It's more for the sake of establishing bank like financial accounts and records, and for you're not going to be able to get out of US taxes or something by doing that. But I guess you could move there for real if you wanted to and have a residency there. It's a residency, it's not citizenship. But like it's I guess a loophole for certain exchange limitations is like the biggest thing, I think. Let's go, Jaskier. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice Friday. It'll be fun. Token Tickler, where are you? You know what, my mate Nate? Hey, since you haven't been here for a while, I'm gonna hit you with the Coinwise Professor outro and then the Mandalo outro. You haven't seen that one. You maybe haven't seen like because it came out in March. I don't think that you've even been here since then. But the new thing with the Professor Lion riding Ducatis and stuff. My professional field is diverse. There's your close, ladies and gentlemen. I'm old though, you can tell by my blonde beard. Pushing 29. for several years now. But I'm just like a pure workaholic, at least until I had kids, and now I just want to like hang out with them. So I'm the type, if I'm not doing something or if I'm not working or grinding or building, then I get so bored, man. I gotta be doing. Let's go happy 420. So I have diverse fields. It's the friend line. Let's go. Close below VWAP at least. See where they slap settlement. Yeah, let's get it, my mate Nate. Check out that dashboard, dude. Enjoy it. I'm actually a professor in multidiscipline. Yeah, I know. Some people call me like a polymath or something. And it's like I'm rewarded in every aspect of my life, but somehow I'm like high functioning. Rewardation. You do, Devav? Let's go. You getting it. I feel you. Pretty much, dude. PhD in juicing. You know, it's time for grad school now. I mean, my postdoc. You got PhD in grad school. See, I told you. 1-year-old box is still working. No kidding, dude. Let's go, Pavel. Hit the blonde. It's my Viking heritage and ancestry. Damn. That's a beast, dude. See, I don't even trust myself on one anymore. Especially now that, like, I don't know, I was into bikes a little bit. I had the fucking fastest jet ski that you could imagine. It's like a supercharged Yamaha. And like ran that thing into the ground. And that was pretty insane also. Hella fun. Yeah, you could race that thing. I would definitely not compete with your Ducati, but yeah, I was into all kinds of things that vroom. But now I'm just chilling. Dude, who remembers this song? This is like the Kimba intro. Let's go! Shout out to CoinWise, shout out to Kimba TV, shout out to the entire team. Well, y'all, I can't believe I had the opportunity to be here with you. That's right, Devav. Yep. It is. I'm like, man, I want to like... I actually had a couple cars that I'm like, projects, and I'm like, man, I'm not going to like sit out here and turn wrenches and stuff, or like, I'm going to hang out with the kids. I don't really care about cars anymore, but I used to be a big car person also. Catch White Deep House song, it is good. Hey, my mate, you think you can be here on Monday? I'll play it. I'm fixing to leave right now. The chicken strips, it's all about the chicky nuggies. You the man, Devav. Much love. Yeah, you do, man. Yeah, your priorities really shift. That's awesome. It's awesome. Yeah, sorry I can't stay a little bit longer. It's starting to get interesting. We couldn't make that higher high yet. Oh, taking profit into settlement. Just right at weekly VWAP. Yeah, amazing. Amazing too. I'm so happy to see you again, brother. Yeah. If y'all haven't seen my main Nate around, great dude. Hey, shout out to Inky. Let's go. I said I was gonna look at the WLD. Inky turned us on to this the other day. She was like, dude, WLD, I'm juicing hard. I was like, man, I ain't charting no shit coin. We've seen a couple of them that are like popped off. XMR was kind of interesting. You still have any running? Oh man, I did this last time too. Wait, did it hit that level that we were talking about? Yeah, I think it was above 60. No, it didn't. Ah. Let's go, Inky. Look at that candle. Oh my god. That's your daily candle on WLD. What in the fuck? That was a really good daily candle yesterday, though. That's beast. 40% daily? Wow. Hype does look decent. You guys stopped out? Oh, trailing stop. My mate Nate, I hope to see you again soon, brother. Devav, much love. Inky. Hey, maybe you get back in. You juice, though. I'm so happy for you. Thanks to all who joined today. I'm going to play the professor on the outro. And then I'm going to... Oh, Jin Gao, much love. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Gonna need to wake up at 6. Hey, thanks for supporting, brother. I hope you juice up too. I hope you juice up too. Shout outs to you. Shout outs to PSG. I will. I hope you can see yours soon. Much love. Much love. Mine's at the water park. I'm sitting here sweating in my office. You know what it is. It's all for them. That's right, Jaskier. All right, y'all. I love you. Have a great day. If you don't use a stop loss, I'm going to slap the shit out you, and you might just be there with Who Juicing. Feeling the same pain as him. Who Juicing premiere tomorrow. Kimba live trading in the morning. And LIQUIDITY's Got Talent. Exclamation Talent Show. Get your entries in for the next one. We need you. You too, Cage. Have a great one, brother. Much love. Much love, my mate Nate. Let's go, Rahman Pub. 34 months. Thank you for the resub. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Houston, love ya. Cage, love ya. Lions. Bulls, Bears. We're all Lions. Love y'all. Shout outs, Curvies. All right, here it comes. Here it comes. Houston's going to love this one. He did some nice work with it. Let's go 10 binds. All right, I'll catch y'all later. See you in the Discord. Maybe in PSG. JP. EK. Crypto Craze. Twerk it. Yeah, we're going to twerk it. I don't think I have it queued up, though, so just bear with me. All right, love y'all. Peace out.
Feeling fully locked in. I'm thinking about the charts. Coin wise, got the levels. Now we're really moving smart.
So behind the music. No cap. Ah! That was a fake out. No, I didn't go to it. Thanks, Husty. Sorry. I was laughing because I was saying behind the music. That was actually motion cap. Me and Husty. I was the girl lion. He was the professor, and we just got like the motion cap to do it. I know, dude. No, but I told my mate Nate that I was gonna do the CoinWise thing and my my real outro. That's hilarious. I love y'all. Yeah, got him. That was a debate. Husty's like, motherfucker, yeah, it's the motion cap. I was the lady lion. You like my moves? Husty's got some moves. Yeah, the professor's got some moves for real, for real. Dude, I got so sweaty. I had to drink a lot of Gatorade after that. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. All right, y'all. That was funny. Thanks, Husty. Thanks for being a good sport about that, brother. Love ya. Got him. Dude, come on, man. Yeah, Curvies. That's the best way to look at life. All right, love y'all. Have a great day. Peace. Thanks, Husty. Shouts to the whole team. Love y'all. Much love, Liquania. Peace out. Have a great weekend, y'all.
It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. CoinWise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. CoinWise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Uncle for the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. CoinWise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. CoinWise family and family we steady. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels.